Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.21 and a momentum of minus 0.55 in the Forex space. What's surprising? This positive sentiment amidst a negative momentum indicates a potential divergence, a situation worth your attention. Our API returns detailed sentiment signals, including sentiment scores and momentum, helping you understand trader attitudes and behaviors in real time. Imagine integrating this into your trading strategy to identify entry points based on sentiment shifts. For instance, you could trigger alerts when sentiment flips from negative to positive, even if momentum is still in the red. Dive deeper into our resources at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.